So you may or may not be aware that we own Surelock casting repairs as well. And this is quite a nice one. It's a bit unusual. It's an aluminium repair that we've carried out. So you can cold stitch aluminium just as well as iron. And this is an example of it here on this casing. So one reason you might decide to go for cold stitching aluminium in particular in an example like this is that if you were to weld this large crack in this casting, you would have a lot of warping because you'd have to heat the whole thing up, area up, and aluminium contracts a lot when it cools down. So that would, you then have to remachine it all. Whereas with the stitching, it's all done cold, so you don't have any thermal expansion and contraction problems like that. That's one of the major benefits. Another good thing about it too is you can also do it on an assembled engine. If the engine's doesn't have to be fully stripped like this is, it can be done in situ even in some cases, in the actual, whilst it's still in the car.